Hi guys, we're at Bedrington South Level Crossing in County Down with Callow. We're even closing early again, unless she's listed them when they're doing this just for me. You can tell an old barrier system. Very old, that one's even going up and down like mad. No, it is bad. Yep, the train's definitely coming. The time now is 20:56 on Wednesday, 27th of July, 2016. Yep, the train's 100% coming now, and I just closed Google, sorry guys. I do wish I could get on that side as well, but you can see the train this side, and as we can see, real-time trains, it doesn't like to load today. And it passed here before, but on that track, not actually at this crossing. It's for 21:13, now at 20:58, 6 Echo 45, freight service, GBRF service from Fort William to North Blythe. And my theory is it comes around there, there's a crossing about a couple of miles down there. The freight locomotive probably switches tracks and turns around and comes onto the other end, and then it comes up here, because there's no loop to come from that track onto this track. So this is a rare closure. And also, as you can see here, if you look at that barrier, most of the paint has gone from the old system there. I think I hear her, or at least I just heard the other crossing's alarms. Yep, she's coming now. Just before this, the other crossing did set off. You can hear her because she's quiet, I just heard her. Right, instead of going down that way to Morpeth, which is where most trains, which is where all the trains go, but this one, she's coming up here. And we've got DW 66740, Sarah. This train has been running since 8 o'clock this morning from Fort William. Quite loud. That's the end of it? No. She's running a good 20 minutes early in total, and here comes the end of 66070 Sarah to North Blythe. And I'm just going to start watching that bag because it's on an odd angle. Up we go. Random amber light flash there. And this crossing will then not be in use again until 8 o'clock this morning, when that train will head back to Fort William, and it does that on the sequence. Thanks for watching the next video.